Hello students. In our next video, we discuss how to solve question number 9 and similarly question number 10. Both the question number 9 and question number 10 both are similar. So I am solving question 9 for you and you have to solve question number 10 from yourself. Our question is, the sum of two rational numbers is minus 2. If one of the numbers is minus 14 by 5, find the other. The sum of two rational numbers. Suppose we have a rational number a by b and again one more rational number c by d. And when we add both the rational numbers, the value after adding is minus 2. The value after adding is known as sum, and here also the sum is given. The sum of two rational numbers means when we add both two rational numbers, we get the value minus 2. If one of the rational numbers is minus 14 by 5, suppose in the place of a by b we have minus 14 by 5, one of the numbers is given and we have to find the other. And this c by d we can also write x, means we have to find the value of x. That another rational number is what? What is the value of this x? So how to solve this question? So please look at the solution. Solution is, since we have to find the other, so let the other number be x. मान लिया कि जो अदर नंबर है वो है x. According to question, that means question के अनुसार when we add this rational number with another rational number, we get the value minus 2. So this implies we have to find the value of x. So this minus 14 by 5 we will take another side, that means in RHS. So already we have in RHS minus 2 is present, and this minus 14 by 5 we have to write here 14 by 5 plus 14 by 5, because minus gets converted into plus when we take it to another side. So now we have nothing, any number here, so 1 is always present to write in rational number. So the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. In one table 5 comes in 5 times, so this 5 we have to multiply with the numerator, that is minus 2, and again we have plus sign. And 5 in 5 table 5 comes in one time, so again we have to multiply this one with the numerator of that number 14. So we have is equal to 5 2s are 10, not only 10, this is minus 10, plus 14 1s are 14 divided by 5. So minus plus minus, and the sign is of greater number, so 14 minus 10 is 4, and sign is of plus, because 14 and 10, 14 is greater and before 14 we have plus sign, so 4 by 5. Therefore we have to write therefore the other number is 4 by 5. This is our answer. I hope all of you understood how to solve this question, and you can solve question number 10 also by the same process. Our another type question, that is question number 11, is What number should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? What number should be added to minus 5 by 8? Minus 5 by 8 में आप कौन सा नंबर ऐड करेंगे जो आपको वैल्यू मिलेगा minus 3 by 2? So the solution of the question is, let the number be x. Let the number be x. Then according to question, in minus 5 by 8 we add x so that we have the value minus 3 by 2. So solve this one. We can write this one as x is equal to minus 3 by 2, and this minus 5 by 8, if we take that side, then it is plus 5 by 8. So we have to find the LCM is equal to 2 and 8. The LCM is 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. So again we have the LCM is 8. So in 2 table 8 comes in 4 times. So we have to multiply this with the numerator, that is minus 3. So we have now plus sign, so we have to put plus sign. In 8 table 8 comes in 1 time. So 1 into 5. So we have now minus, this one is plus and this one is minus, so plus minus minus, 4 3s are 12, plus 5 1s are 5 by 8. Now we have minus plus is minus and sign is of greater number, so 12 is greater here, and before 12 we have minus sign, so we have to put minus sign, and minus plus minus, so we have to subtract 12 minus 5. So 12 minus 5 is 7 by 8. Therefore, we can write that, therefore the number is minus 7 by 8. Minus 7 divided by 8. So I hope all of you understood this question number 11 also, and you can solve question number 12 and 13 and 14. Means you can complete this chapter, not chapter actually, the exercise 1C. So all of you please complete exercise 1C and submit your homework. Thank you.